teachers and my eco-friends. Good afternoon everyone. I am Sudharani from 10th standard. Today we are here to see a debate on fuel conservation for better tomorrow. First of all, I am going to say a few words about fuel conservation. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are made from decomposing of plants and animals. These fuels are found in Earth's crust and they contain carbon and hydrogen, which are burned for produce energy. Coal, oil, natural gas are the examples for fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are non-renewable source. If one day exhaustible, they can't replace again. My friend will continue about oil and natural gas, other fossil fuels.
Good afternoon everybody. My name is Himarshni from 10th standard. I am telling about fossil fuels, the top, oil and natural gas. Oil is one of the fossil fuel. Oil is originally formed as solid material between layers of sedimentary rocks like shale. This solid material is heating in order to produce the thick of oil that can be used to make gasoline. Now let's see another fossil fuel, that is natural gas. It is usually found in pockets above oil deposits. It is also found in sedimentary rock layers that don't contain oil. It is made up of methane.
Unfortunately, fossil fuels are non-renewable source and waiting for millions of years to have a new coal, oil and natural gas. It's not a realistic solution. Now, my friends will debate on this topic. Who's going to debate first?
I'm Sweetie from 10th standard. We are agri team. Now I'm going to tell about the fossil fuels, the advantages. Fossil fuels can generate a large amount of electricity. They can be found easily. They are cost effective. Transportation of oil and gas can be done easily through pipelines. They have become safer over time. Despite being a finite resources, it is available in plenty.
No. I support with your views. Fossil fuels are emit carbon dioxide when burned. It is a major greenhouse gas, and the primary source pollution. This can be contributed to global warming. Instead of this, we can use solar energy.
I also disagree with you because solar energy can be used, but it is very costly and it costs a lot of money. So fossil fuels are necessary. They found easily and they generate more energy. In addition, fossil fuels factories generate jobs to many people. If you stop using fossil fuels, they will become jobless. So I disagree with your choice.
Anybody disagree with your choice?
Okay friends, please take your seats. Who's next?
I'm Jyoti from 10th standard. I am going to say few words about fuel conservation, which is coal. Uses of coal. Coal is one of the most important fossil fuel. It is used to produce electricity generation, steel production, cement manufacturing and as a liquid fuel. Among these, the most important is electricity generation because we cannot imagine our life without electricity.
No, Jyoti, I disagree with you.
Why you disagree with me?
Because instead of electricity, you can use free source of energy, that is sunlight.
Okay, thank you.
Who's next?
I am Bharti from 10th standard. I am going to say a few words about how to conserve fuel by using LED lights. LED bulbs are more efficient and last a long time and giving us more light with less electricity.
I am Triveni. I disagree with you. LED lights are constituted by they with high intensity. They cause retina of our eye. It is better to use CFC bulbs.
They have another method is there.
What is that method?
Turning off lights. When you leave a room for more than 15 minutes, that saves the power more.
By turning off it, often it is reduce the life of switches. The energy used to on off the light it is no more.
Okay, thank you for giving this suggestion.
Okay friends, please take your seats.
of it. This is a good way to conserve energy.
I'm also offering. I disagree with you, offering.
Why you disagree with me, Afrin? By turning off the television, frequently operating the system of the television will get reduced.
In small shops, in remote area, in people use portable TV, so switching off the TV.
Okay, Afrin, thank you for giving suggestions.
Okay, friends, please take your seats. Who's next?
I am Heidi from 10th standard. Now I am going to say about how to conserve fuel by reduce, recycle and reuse. Plastics are versatile, hygiene, lightweight, flexible and highly ductable. Plastic containers are also used for home appliances, protection bags.
Mayuri, I disagree with your suggestion.
Why? Why you are saying like that?
Nowadays, there is no plastic. Nowadays, there is no life without plastic because switches or water tanks, electric wire made up of plastic. How can you say plastic is harmful to environment?
You have solution to this? Yes, I have. Biodegradable plastic will take over time and somewhat better option if you rather stick to plastic.
Anyway, I disagree.
Please take a seat. Who's next?
I'm Trisha from 10th standard. I want to tell about the fossil fuels that are oil and natural gas. Oil is originally found as a oil is through moved from the. I'm Sania from 10th standard. I would like to say some few words about how to conserve the fuel, which is petroleum. Petroleum is the one of the fossil fuel. It is mixture of hydrocarbons. It is prone to suitable road rocks and can be extracted and refined to produce a fuel including paraffin and petrol and diesel. I would like to say few words to control the air pollution. Maintenance of vehicles to keep tires inflated to correct pressure and avoid unnecessary weights.
No, Sania, I disagree with you.
What, Harsha? How do you disagree with me?
Because petroleum causes air pollution, it releases some gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen and hydrocarbon. Burning of fossil fuels leads to the harmful products into the environment, which causes respiratory disease. So I disagree with you.
Okay, Harsha, I have one solution to control the air pollution.
Tell me that.
To encourage the carpooling. Carpooling is nothing but sharing of vehicles to a very long time.
Thank you for your suggestion.
Okay, friends, please take your seats. Who's next?
I am Malishwari from 10th standard. I am going to say few words about air conditioners. Turn down the heat and air conditioners. Central air often uses coal-based electricity. Central heating often uses oil or natural gases. Adjusting the gas. Adjusting the gases just 1 or 2 degrees.
I am not support your suggestion, Malishwari. If air condition is not used, it causes suffocation and if the air is not enter into the room. If windows are open, then the dust particles can enter into the room and causing health problems. That's why I am not supporting your suggestion.
No, that is wrong. How can you say that, Gautami? I have another method.
What's that, Malishwari?
That is unplug small appliances and electronics. Even if your coffee maker or computer is switched off, it's still consuming energy as long as it is plugged.
This suggestion is also I am disagree with you. If we often switches of the appliances, the life of the switches and operating system will be also reduced.
Okay, Gautami.
Okay, friends, please take your seats. Who's next?
I'm Kesri Sarashmi from 10th standard. I would like to say about how to conserve fossil fuels by public transportation. Fossil fuels are a major part of the oil refining, which is how gasoline is made. Public transportation reduces the number of cars on the road and therefore the number of cars remaining emissions.
Stop it, Salakshmi. I disagree with you.
How can you say disagreeing me?
We can't reach to remote area because there is no proper public transportation.
You could also carpool, ride a bicycle or a walk. So instead of going by motorbikes, We can use public transportation.
We can't reach our work area by using public transportation in our own time. In on time. And this pandemic situation, if we travel through public transportation, there is a great possibility of spreading COVID-19. Then how would you control the virus?
I have a solution for that. We can maintain all necessary precautions of COVID-19 like wear a mask, use sanitizer and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others.
Okay friends, please take your seats. Who's next?
I am Trisha from 10th standard. I want to tell a few words about the fossil fuels that are oil and natural gases. Oil is originally found as a solid material. Oil is moved through a pipelines by the pump stations. Along with the pipelines, natural gas pressurized
Stop it. What are you saying like that?
Please sit down.
is known as natural gases. Natural gas pipelines are constructed by the carbon states. Natural gas transport is the transportation of hydrogen through a pipe.
Now, Bhargavi, say your point.
I am Bhargavi from 10th standard. I disagree with you,
How
Trisha.
can you disagree with me, Bhargavi?
Because it is a very difficult to leakage of the desert leakage. It is a very high and their security is also difficult. Initially, if the pipelines are cost very high, if the pipelines are leakage in the soil, then what can you say about the water bodies if they damage permanently?
Do you have any solution to this?
Yeah, I have a solution. Some research has shown that bioremediation specifically the addition of microbes of an oil spills environmentally friendly. The method of to clean up remove oil from the soil and from the water bodies.
Okay, you are saying by the process of bioremediation, you can remove the oil from the soil. Then what can you say about the people living near water bodies? They cause us damage. And what about you can say plants and small organisms living in the water bodies?
Can you answer this question?
Yeah, I can answer that. By making people aware from the water situations, water bodies, we can protect them. But the government should need to take care of necessary precautions.
Okay, please take your seats.
Anyway, we are the correct.
Stop. Please wait. Let's conclude. Fossil fuels are very important. Fossil fuels are very important in our life, but they have some disadvantages of by using fossil fuels. They may damage our environment. We need a peaceful environment and better place to live.
We need vehicles which cannot use more fuel.
We should switch off the engines while waiting for traffic light.
Let's use more and more LED bulbs and computer monitors.
Let's use CNG engines.
Let's use solar boards in water bodies.
Let's use renewable resources.
Let's make our
lives
peaceful
by saving fuels. Let's make our future better and brighter. Thank you.